Hi everyone, welcome to PR Academy. Today we'll discuss the binomial theorem. Today we'll discuss the binomial theorem. We know that here a plus b whole power something power 0 is 1. A plus b power 1 is a plus b. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b, you observe here a plus b power 0 means how many here? One term. Power 1 means here it is how much here? Two terms. Power 2 means how much here? Three terms. A plus b whole cube. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b. How many terms here? Four terms. You observe here. Here using from Pascal's triangle. Using Pascal's triangles, we can write the binomial coefficients here. So here starts with 1 and end with 1. Starts with 1 and end with 1. Starts with 1 and end with 1 here. A plus b power 0, 1 write down here first. A plus b power 1. Here 1 write down here. Triangle. Triangle. Next triangle like this. Triangle. Triangle. Triangle will come here. Here. A plus b 1. A plus b power 1 means here n is equal what here 0 na. So it is 1. Any something power 0 is 1. A plus b power 1. So n equal to 1. So that is 1 c naught plus 1 c naught 1 c 1. Next square. How many terms here? Three terms. Here coefficients what here? 1, 2, 1 write down here. 1, 2, 1. Its coefficients. Here what is the degree here? 2. A square degree 2. It is 2. AB also degree 2. Its coefficients what here? 1, 2, 1 write down here. 1, 2, 1. After that a plus b whole cube. How many terms here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 terms are there. How many terms here? A plus b whole cube. 4 terms. See here. 1, 3, 3, 1 write down here. A plus b whole power 4. How many terms here? 5 terms. A power 4 plus 4a cube b plus 6a square b square plus 4ab cube is b power 4. 5 terms here. So on up to n terms. A plus b whole power n. If it is 0, 1 term. If it is 1, 2 terms. 3, how many terms here? 3 means here 4 terms. 4 means here 5 terms. N means how many terms here? In the expansion a plus b whole power n. How many terms here? N plus 1 terms here. How many terms? N plus 1. See a plus b whole power n we can write here. This is nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 into b square. Here see, you observe here, this lower value is b square will come here and subtracting with n here 2. This is the lower value. Okay na? You remember like this. Your lower value is what here? B power 1 and subtracting with n subtracting with 1. N minus 1. So here a for n minus 0 means n only. Here something for 0 is 1. You remember like this here. Nc naught a power n plus nc1 a power n minus 1 into b plus nc2 a power n minus 2 into b square plus so on. nc n minus 1 into a into b power n minus 1 plus ncn b power n. A power 0 is 1 here. Yeah, how many terms here? Nc naught t1, it is t2, t3, third term, fourth term, so on, n plus 1 terms. So this is the Pascal's triangle. So you take this is 1c naught 1c1, 2c naught 2c1 2c2, 3c naught 3c1 3c2 3c3, 4c1 4c naught 4c1 4c2 4c3 4c4. We know that from the combination NCR formula we know that n factorial by r factorial into n minus r factorial. So we know that 1c naught is 1 right down here, 1c1 it is 1 right down. If you know if you don't know the expansion, we can write like this also. Using this is a Pascal's triangle. 1 write down, 1 2 1 write down, 1 3 3 1 write down here, 1 4 6 4 like this. You adding, you remember like this here. Here 1 plus 1 is how much here? 2. Here 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 1 plus 3 is how much here? 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay. In down also we can write here 6 plus 4 10 like this will come here. So we can remember using Pascal triangles also we can remember the coefficients here. Or if you know this expansion we can write like this here. Okay. If you remember a plus b whole power n expansion. Okay na. So here 4c naught 1, 4c1 4, 4c2 6, 4c3 4, here 4c4 is 1. See here. So in each term, here 1 term, it is 2 terms, 3 terms, 4. Here power 0 is 1 term, power 1 is 2. Increasing, 1 is increasing here. Power is 3 is there, then 3 plus 1 terms right down here. Here power is n is how much here? How many terms are in this expansion? N plus 1 terms are there. Okay na? So here if suppose a is x, b is y, you take here x plus y whole power n. Expansion here nc naught x power n plus nc1 x power n minus 1 into y plus nc2 x power n minus 2 into y square plus nc3 x power n minus 3 into y cube plus so on ncn y power n here. So it's a general term. We know that general term is denoted by tr plus 1. So that is ncr into x power n minus r into y power r. Similarly, we can write it here. These are important. This basics is very important. Based on this only they are giving the problems. So x minus y whole power n is also. So you remember here x plus of minus y you can write here. In before formula in place of y minus 1 y write down here. So power is odd, then it y will become how much here? Minus. Okay na? Power is odd. So you observe here. Here power is odd means here y is there, here minus will come here. Next after y square, y cube. Power odd terms will get the plus minus like this will come here. See here x minus y whole power n. That is nc naught into x power n minus nc1 into x y power n minus 1 plus nc2 x power n minus 1 into y. This is x power n minus 1 into y power 1. nc2 x power n minus 2 into y square plus 1 minus 1 power n into ncn into y power n. See here x plus y whole power n, we know that x minus y whole power n is also we know that. Here suppose I am taking here n equal 4, n equal to 5. Based on this formulas they are asking the problems here. Adding here x plus y whole power n, x minus y whole power n equal 4 substitute 5 substitute here. Okay na? Here x plus y whole power put n equal 4 means how many terms here? Yeah, 4c naught x power 4, 4c1 x cube by 4c2 x square y square plus 4c3 x y cube plus 4c4 y power 4. N equal 4 substitute in the x minus y whole power n. 4c naught x power 4 minus 4c1 x cube by. Here power y is odd na, here minus will come here. Here y cube power is odd na, here minus will come here. Here power is even means it will become positive here. Adding these two terms here, you observe here in this one plus 4c1 minus 4c1 it will be cancelled. Plus 4c3 minus 4c3 will be cancelled. Remaining 4 plus 4 2. Here 4 plus 4 2. Here 4 plus 4 4. Here 2 common in this one. So that is 2 into 4c naught x power 4 plus 4c2 into x square y square plus 4c4 into y power 4. Okay na? Here what will be cancelled here? Y odd power will be cancelled. You remember here y power 1. Here y odd power will be cancelled. Here y cube. Here odd power will be cancelled. Even power adding here. So even powers adding here. Y even power it is adding. So y here 0 it is adding here power 4. Y power 4 it is adding here. So what will be doing here? Y odd powers will be cut and y even powers will be added. So that's why you will get here x plus y whole power 4 x minus y whole power 4 is 2 into 4c naught x power 4 plus a. Remember here suffix here in a down terms will be even numbers here. Down terms will be even numbers, powers also even numbers here. So that is 4c naught x power 4 plus 4c2 x square y square plus 4c4 y power 4. Here similarly x equal 1 y equal x substitute here 1 plus x whole power n. We know that here nc naught x c naught plus c1x plus c2x square. C2 is nothing but nc2. So nc naught plus nc1x plus nc2x square plus so on ncn x power n. Okay na? So here 1 minus x whole power n. Similarly, so So here 1 plus x whole power n is nc0, nc1, nc2, so on, ncn x power n. 1 minus x, same before like this only. Here x r power, here minus x even power adding. So what will be cancelled here? X r powers will be cancelled and x even powers will be adding here. So that is here nc1 cancel, nc0, nc0, 2 nc0. Once you observe here 1 plus x whole power n, you can write this is here nc0 is how much here? 1. 1 get this side, 1 plus x whole power n minus 1. So what is the common in this one? X into some integer. X into some integer. X into some integer means it is divisible by what here? It is divisible by x. Okay na? Here x common. Similarly, you see here, for example here, 37 power 10 minus 1 is divisible by dash. 37 power 10 minus 1 is divisible by dash. So 37 we can write it is clearly 1 plus 36 whole power 10. So in place of so it is divisible by what here? X. In place of x what here? Here 37 equal to I am taking here 1 plus 36. 1 plus 36 whole power 10. In place of x is what here? 36. So it is divisible by how much here? 36. So since 37 equal to 1 plus 36. See, next one is also see here. Here, what I am taking here? I am taking here LHS side, NC1, NC0 I am taking here, NC1 also I am taking here. That is 1 plus x whole power n minus 1 minus nx here. You observe here, what is the common here? X square is x into so totally it is x square is common. So x square into integer what here? It is x square into integer, it is divisible by x square. It is divisible by x square. So one more example we take here. I am taking here 37 power 20 minus 1 minus 20 into 36 is divisible by dash. Once you observe here 1 plus x equal we can write here 1 plus 36 whole power n. Whole power n. N is what here 20, x is what here 36. 20 into 36. It is the form of 1 plus x whole power n minus 1 nx. It is divisible by x square. It is divisible by what here? X square. What is x square here? 36. So it is divisible by 36 whole square. We can write directly. Okay na? See here. It is divisibility. It is. Okay na? Next, binomial theorem for any index. So already we know that 1 plus x whole power n is what here? NC0, NC1x, NC2x square plus so on, NCn x power n. Here put n equal to minus 1 in this formula. Put n equal to minus 1. Yes, n equal to minus 1 substitute here. So that is how much here? 1 plus x whole inverse. 1 plus x whole inverse. It will become here 1 minus x plus x square plus here nc1 is what here? N. N means it is how much here? Minus. N is minus 1. NC2 is what here? N into n minus 1 by 2 factorial. Then it will be plus will come here. After simplify, NC0 is 1, it is n into n minus 1 by 2 factorial, so on. So after simplify, 1 plus x whole inverse is what here? Alternate minus plus will come here because 1 plus x whole inverse is 1 minus x, like this will come. You remember like this. So 1 plus x whole inverse, alternate plus minus plus minus plus minus like this will come here. When 1 minus x whole inverse means power minus 1 multiplier 1 plus x, all are plus will come here. So you remember here. 1 plus x whole inverse is 1 minus x square plus x minus x cube plus x power 4. Here odd powers is negative, even powers is positive. Plus so on here. Here n equal to minus 2 substitute in this expansion here. So that is 1 plus x whole power minus 2. So it is n equal to how much here? Minus 2 substitute here. So n equal nc1 that is minus 2. So it is how much here? Minus 2. So nc2 n into n minus 1 by 2 factor that is how much here? Plus 3 will come here. Minus 4x cube, you remember. 1 plus x whole power minus 2 means simply you remember first two terms 1 minus 2x will come here. 1 minus x whole power minus 2 means here first two terms here 1 plus 2x will come here. Both are plus, next terms also all are plus only. So first both are 1 is plus 1 is negative means alternate minus plus will come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this right on here. X values are increasing here. X2, x square, x cube, x power 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Right on this one. Okay, here remember like this. 1 minus x whole power minus 2 means 1 plus 2x plus 3x square plus 4x cube plus 5x power 4 like this. Right on here. Okay, this is also important. You remember here In the expansion, x plus y whole power n expansion, number of terms here, how much here? N plus 1 terms here. Here, middle term we have to find out here. N is even and n is odd. So, for example, n is even here. So, what is the middle term here? N by 2 plus 1 term is the middle term. If n is odd, what are the two middle terms will come here? Two middle terms will come here. N is odd. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. 1, 2, 3. Here n is odd. N plus 1 terms. Na? So that is even number of total terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4 only you take here. So what is the middle term is 1, 2, 3, 4 means 2 and 3 will take here. Like this. Okay. So that is n is odd means even number of total terms. Two middle terms will come here. That is n plus 1 by 2 the term and n plus 3 by 2 the terms. Okay na? It is also important. You remember? Okay na? Number of terms in the expansion. Number of terms in the expansion. So x plus y whole power how many terms here? X plus y whole power n is how many number of terms here? N plus 1. What is the x plus y whole power n number of terms means you write here n plus 1 c1 write down here. Here two terms are there na x plus y two terms means one decrease and one write down here. Here three terms one out of 3 1 decrease here 3 minus 1 is 2 write down here. Here down what we are write here up is n is means here n increase 1 in this one increase 1 that is n plus 1. Here 2 terms are decrease 1 that is 2 minus 1. So x plus y whole power n how many number of terms here? Upper is increasing and number of terms is 1 is decreasing here. So that is n plus 1 c1. N plus 1 c1 is nothing but n plus 1. Here x plus y plus z whole power n. So n increase. Here number of terms here 3. 3 minus 1 2 write down here. That is n plus 2 c2 equal to n plus 2 into n plus 1 by 2. Here x plus y plus z plus r whole power n. So power n increase n plus 1. Here number of terms 4. 4 minus 1 is how much here? 3. That is n plus 3 c3. That is n plus 3 c3. Next x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus 1 x power x r x suffix r. How many terms here? Here n r n plus r. One subtracting here n plus r minus 1 write down here. Here how many terms here? R terms. So here r minus 1 write down here. Okay na? Simply remember here 2 terms n plus 2 minus 1 that is n plus 1. Here 3 terms n plus 3 minus 1. n plus 3 minus 1 it is n plus 2. Here n plus 4 minus 1 is n plus 3. Here n plus r minus 1 that is n plus r minus 1. Here r terms are there and r minus 1 that is n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. So n plus r minus 1 is the upper index, r minus 1 is the lower index here. Here numerically greatest term n plus 1 into suppose x plus y whole power n is n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus mod y equal 1 you take here that is 1. So n plus 1 if you take y equal 1 that is n plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus 1. Here suppose this is equal to I am taking here p. Here two terms. Suppose p is an integer, p is a not integer. Here p is an integer, two numerically greatest terms tp comma tp plus 1. These are the two numerically greatest terms. And p is a not integer, one numerically greatest term that is tp plus 1. tp plus 1 is a numerically greatest term. It is also important you remember. N plus 1 into mod x by mod x plus mod y or 1 your wish. So equal to p. So in this one, suppose p is an integer. So integer means you know that minus 1, minus 2, that 1, 2, 3, 4, these are the integers. Na? So if it is an integer, so what are the numerical greatest terms? Two numerical greatest terms, tp plus 1. And p is not integer, tp plus 1, one numerically greatest term. Next term independent of x. Term independence of x means there is no x, that is x power 0, independent of x. Power is what here? 0. For example, I am taking here x plus 1 by x whole square. X plus 1 by x whole square is what here? X square plus 2ab means 2 plus b square. 2 is 2 into x power 0. So what is the independent of x? Independent of x is 2. Okay, na? We can write like this. So x plus 1 by x whole square, x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square. Here second term is the independent of x. Power of x is what here? 0. We know that this properties already we learn in combinations. NCR plus NCR plus 1 is N plus 1 CR plus 1. We observe here, it is R plus 1. 1 is greater here. R plus 1. 1 greater for this one. Here both are same. For both are same, add with 1 here. Add with 1 here, suffix greater value write down here. Here R is small, R plus 1 is greater. So it is N plus 1, R plus 1 write down like this. Okay na? So here you get this N plus R 1 R plus N plus 1 CR plus 1 minus NCR plus 1 is how much here? NCR. Similarly, R into NCR equal to here N into means subtracting with what here? For upper index minus 1, here lower index minus 1, that is N minus 1 CR minus 1, and NCR by NCR minus 1. Here numerator R is greater and denominator suffix lower is minus 1 decrease, but here upper is same, N only same, then we can write that is N minus R. So you remember this one, these two are subtracting, N minus R minus 1 is N minus R plus 1 by, so this is what is the suffix here? By R, right one. You remember like this. Okay na? If NCX equal to NCY, then either X equal by R, X plus Y equal to N. So we know that already here X equal to 1 substitute in this formula. X equal to 1 substitute here. 1 plus 1 is how much here? 2 power N. So 1 NC1 plus NC1 NC0 plus NC1 plus NC2 plus 1 NCN. What about this value? 2 power N. So if X equal to 1 substitute in this one, so that is this is 0. NC0 minus NC1 plus NC2 so on minus 1 power NCN is how much here? 0. These are also important properties here. So these are the X equal to 1 and X equal to both in the formulas X equal to 1 substitute here. One is the 2 power N, another one is a 0. Here from this one, from the above E, we can write here even suffix X is equal to odd suffix X. Odd suffix X. That is NC0 plus NC2 plus NC4 so on equal to what here? NC1 plus NC3 plus NC5 plus so on here. So once you observe here, what is the formula? NCR plus NCR plus 1 equal to N plus 1 CR. Suppose you say this is yes, N plus 3 is N and it is also N. Here R plus 1. In this one both are same. If it is R, it is R plus 1 here. If it is R, is R plus 1. So even lower terms are same, but upper terms are also same. When it is N, we have to add with 1. Here when it is N, we have to add with 1 means what here? N plus 3 plus 1. So this is N plus 3 plus 1 is how much here? N plus 4. So here lower term, greater term write down, that is R plus 1. Okay na? So using this property we can write like this here. And second one is N plus 2CR by N plus 2CR minus 1. So that is N minus N plus 2 of R minus 1. N plus 2 of R minus 1. That is by it is R right down here. So that is N minus 2 plus minus 2 N plus 3 by so N plus 3 by R here. N plus 2 minus 1 is there. N minus R plus 1 by R. Here next one. N minus R plus 3 by R. N plus 2 minus R minus 1 by R. So next one, summation R equal to 1 to N. R into NCR is what here? N into 2 power N minus 1. R equal to 0 to N. NCR by R plus 1 equal to 2 power N plus 1 minus 1 by N plus 1. So these are all binomial coefficients here. Summation R equal to 1 to N NCR whole square is 2 NCN. So R equal to 0 substitute here, 1 substitute here, 0 substitute here, so 1 N substitute here. That value is NCN. So if R equal to 0 to N, NCR is how much? 2 power N. If it starts with 1, R equal 1 to N means NCR equal to 2 power N minus 1. Here R equal 0 to N minus 1, that is N minus 1 CR equal to 2 power N minus 1. Summation R equal 1 to N minus 1 CR minus 1 is 2 power N minus 1. So a term containing the x cube coefficient, it is also important here. Suppose you are given 1 plus 2x plus 4x square, 2 plus 5x plus 6x square plus 10x cube. In this one we have to add the x cube coefficient here. First one multiply with 1. Where is the x cube coefficient here? 10. That is 10 right on here. Next 2x multiply here. Here all one x is there. In this one x square term you see here. So that is a 2 into 6 right on here. Next multiply with 4x square. It is even x square is there. In this one x is here 4 into 5. So this is the term containing x cube. In that one x cube option is what here 10 plus 12 plus 20 equal to 42. Okay na? These basics. This is the concept of the binomial theorem. Okay na? Based on this concept, we will do the problems. First one, the value of 21C1 minus 10C1 plus 21C2 minus 10C2 plus 21C3 minus 10C3 plus 21C4 minus 10C4 plus so on plus 21C10 minus 10C 10C4 so 21C3 C4 next to 21C2 21C3 21C4 minus 10C4 plus so on 21C10 21C10 minus 10C10 equal to that. So first option 2 power 20 minus 2 power 9. Second one 2 power 20 minus 2 power 10. Third one here 2 power 21 minus 2 power 11. Fourth one 2 power 21 minus 2 power 10. Here we discuss the now only two properties. First is C0 plus C1 plus C2 plus C3 plus so on C3 C4 C5 C6 so on. It is how much here? 2 power n. It is how much here? 2 power n. This is 1 plus 1 whole power n equal to 1 plus 1 whole power so on. See. Okay na? So first I am doing here tens upper terms and upper terms 21 is there and 10 is there. 21 terms are separate, 10 terms are separated only. So that is 21C1 plus 21C2 21C3 21C4 plus so on 21C10 minus 10C1 plus 10C2 plus 10C3 plus 1 10C10. So you observe here what is the here C0 is there. C0. In this one what I am doing, adding and subtracting with C0. So that is what I am doing here. 21 C0 is nothing but 10 C0. Okay na? So here 21 C0 adding, here 21 C0 subtracting here 10 C0. So that is 21 C0 21 C1 21 C2 21 C3 plus so on 21 C10 21 C10 minus 10 C0 plus 10 C1 plus 10 C2 plus so on 10 C10. We observe here 1 plus 1. Here n is means how much here? 2 power n. Here n is means how much here? Up to here. Suppose n square 1 is there. Okay na? So that is we can get n. So 1 plus MC naught, MC1, MC2, MCN is there na last NCN. So here NC1, 1 means here 2 times will come here. Here 3 times will come here. Here 10 means how many times here? Up to 10 times will come here. See, observe here. Here from this one I am taking here up to how many times? 21 times I am taking here. Okay na? So see, so that is C naught. See here 21 C naught. 21 C naught. Only one I am taking this one. This one only I am taking here. Okay na? That is 21 C naught plus 21 C1 plus 21 C2 plus so on up to 21 C1 equal I am taking here. Up to 21 C1. It is how much here? 2 power n. N is what here? 2 power 21. So that equal to, that implies 21 C naught plus 21 C1 plus so on 21 C10. 21 C10. So 21 C10 we take here. 21 C10. The remaining what here? 21 C11. 21 C12 plus so on 21 C21 equal to 2 power 21 na? You observe here. So here 21 C11 is nothing but is how much here? 21 C10. It is how much here? 21 C9. So it is how much here? 21 C0. So these both are same. It is both are same. These two are same. Okay na? So x plus x equal to how much here? 2. So that is we can write here. 2 times of 21 C0, 21 C1, 21 C1. So plus 21 C2 plus 1 21 C10, 21 C10 equal how much here? 2 power 21. So 21 C10, 21 C10, 21 C1 plus 1 21 C10 equal how much here? 1 2 will be cancelled na? 2 power 21 by 2 means 2 power 20. This you remember. So suppose this is this term equal to we can write here how much here? 2 power 20. That is 2 power 20 minus it is how much here? 1 plus x is there na? That is 1 plus 1 up to 10 times means 1 plus 1 2 power 10. So that is how much here? 2 power 10. 2 power 20 minus 2 power 10. So second option. Second one. If the third term in the binomial expansion of 1 plus x power log x to the base 2 whole power 5 equals to 2560 equals to 2560. Then a possible value of x is first option 4 root 2 and second option 1 by 8 and third option 2 root 2, fourth option 1 by 4. Right. Here T3 given. We know the general term formula. Already we discussed important this is TR plus 1 equal to NCR into x power n minus r into y power r. So T3 means T2 plus 1. T2 plus 1 that is T2 plus 1 that is NC2 into x power n minus 2 into y square. That is. So T3 equal to how much given here? T3 equal to 2560. So that is T2 plus 1. T2 plus 1 is NC2. That is NC2 is 5C2. In place of x is what here? 1. 1 power anything is 1 only. 1 into y. X power log x to the base 2 whole power 2. Square is there? Y square. It is how much here? 2560. 5C2 is how much here? 5 into 4 by 2. It is how much here? 10. 10. That is x power log x2 base 2 whole square is 2560. 10 cancel. So apply both sides. Apply both sides log base 2. That is log base 2 x power log x to the base 2 whole square. It is how much here? Log 256 to the base 2. So log m power n is n log m. That is 2 into log x power log x to the base 2 is how much here? X. X2 whole square. So it is how much here? Log x2 whole square. So that is equal to log x to the base 2 equal to 256. 256 is how much here? 2 power. It is same. Log x to the base means x. So log x square. That is log x to the base 2 whole square. So log 256 2 power 8 base 2. It is how much here? 8. Okay na? So here I have 2 write down here. Into 2 write down here. 2 how many times cancel here? 4 times cancel. Log x to the base 2 equal to 4. Then log x to the, see once again check here, x power log x to the base 2. We know that a power log n to the base a is n. Here x power log x to the base 2. So that is log x to the base whole square. Log x to the base whole square. Whole square here. So here log x to the base whole square. So it is how much here? Log x to the base 2 equal to plus or minus 2. Then x equal to, once you take plus 2 square or 2 power minus 2. Then x equal to 4 or 1 by 4. So which option correct here? 1 by 4 is correct. Next. Third one. The sum of the coefficients of all odd degree terms. All odd degree terms. Odd degree terms. In the expansion of x plus root x cube minus 1 plus x minus root x cube plus 1. X cube minus 1. X plus root x cube minus 1. X minus root x cube minus 1. Whole power 5. Here x greater than 1 is. X greater than 1 is. So first option 0, second 1, third 2, fourth. Now only we discuss. x plus y whole power 5 plus x minus y whole power 5 here. Here odd y terms will be cancelled. So negative y terms will be added here. So that equal to 2 into 5c naught x power 5 plus 5c 2 into x cube y square plus 5c4 x y power 4. Right on. So that equal to use this formula. So now it is the form of x plus y, x minus y. Okay na? So that equal to 2 into 5c naught. X is what is x only, x power 5, 5 into x cube. Y square is root of x cube minus 1 whole square means x cube minus 1 will come here. Next 5c4. Here x into y power 4 means x cube minus 1 whole square will come. Okay na? Y power 4 means root of x cube minus 1 whole power 4, that is x cube minus 1 whole square. Okay na? So that is now 5c naught is how much? 1 into x power 5. 5c2 is what? 10 into x cube into x power 6 minus 10 x cube. 5c4 is 5. Okay na? 5 by 5 into 5x into x cube. A minus 2 whole square x power 6 plus 1 minus 2x cube. So that equal to 2 into x power 5 10x power 6 minus 10x cube 5x power 7 plus 5x minus 10x power 4. Now multiply this or 2 write down into 2. So what is the sum of the coefficients of all odd degree terms? All odd degree terms. What are the odd degree terms? 1, 2, 3, 4. This sum of the coefficients write down here. It is 1, it is minus 10, it is 5 and it is 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 cancel. 2 into 1 is how much here? 2. So, third option. Next. Fourth. The coefficients of x power minus 5 in the binomial expansion of x plus 1 divided by x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus x minus 1 by x minus x power 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 whole power 10 where x not equal 0 comma 1, that is 0 comma 1 is, so first option is 4, second option 1, third option minus 1, fourth option minus 4. Okay. See, here we know that a cube plus b cube. Here x plus 1 equal to I am taking here x power 1 by 3 whole cube 1 power 1 by 3 whole cube. A cube plus b cube formula a plus b, that is x power 1 by 3 plus 1 into a square. A square means x power 1 by 3 whole square means x power 2 by 3 minus ab x power 1 by 3 plus b square means 1 only. Okay na? So in place of x plus 1 we can write down, that is x power 1 by 3 plus 1 into x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 divided by x power 2 by 3 minus x power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus here x minus 1 by here denominator numerator equal I am taking here x minus 1 is root x minus 1 into root x plus 1. Denominator root x common. Root x common is here root x minus 1. Root x minus 1 will be cancelled. So that equal to, it is also cancelled. X power 1 by 3 plus 1 minus root x by x. It is how much here? 1. X 1 plus minus 1 by root x. 1 by root x. 1 1 cancel. So that equal to x power 1 by 3. The power is how much here? 10. The power is 10. X power 1 by 3 minus here x power minus 1 by 2 whole power 10. So what we are write here? Coefficient of x power minus 5. So a general term write down here tr plus t. So t, how much is a coefficient of x power minus 5 na? So expand it is t. Here x power 10 tr plus 1 write down here, tr plus 1 equal to ncr. ncr is how much here? 10cr x power n minus r, that is x power 1 by 3 whole power n minus r, n minus r here into a power y power r means minus x power minus 1 by 2 whole power r. So that equal to 10cr x power 1 is how much here? X power 1 means n minus r by 3, n minus r by 3 into minus 1 power r into x power minus r by 2. Adding the bases are equal, adding the powers here, that is minus 1 power r into 10c2 into here how much here? Adding the power means here x power n minus r by 3 minus r by 2. So taking LCM, n minus r by 3 minus r by 2. It is x power coefficient is what? Minus 5, equaling to minus 5 here. So taking LCM here, yeah. So 2n minus 2r minus 3r by 6 equal to 6 cross multiplication minus 30. So that is 2n minus it is how much here? Minus 5r equal to minus 30. N is how much here? N is 10. N equal to 10. That is 10. 10 to the 20. 20 minus 5r equal to minus 30. 5r equal to 50. Then r equal to how much here? 10. R equal 10 substitute here. R equal to 10 substitute in this one. So here NCR 10C to 10CR na, R equal 10 means it is 1. It is minus 1 power R means it is 10 means it is 1. So what is the answer here? 1 only. It is 1. Second option. Next. Fifth one. If the number of terms, if the number of terms in the expansion of 1 minus 2 by x plus 4 by x square whole power n. There x not equal to 0 is 28. 28. Then the sum of the coefficients. Then the sum of the coefficients. Sum of the coefficients of all the terms of all the terms in the expansion is first option 2187, second one 243, third one 729, fourth one 64. We know that x plus y whole power n. Suppose our two terms are there. Here x plus y whole power n plus 1 c1, n plus 1 terms. Here power n is there. So how many terms here? N plus total number of terms. Total number of terms. Already we discussed na. N plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. So how much given it is? 28 given. N plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. So how many terms here? 3 terms here. R is how much here? 3 terms. That is equal to n plus 3 minus 1 c3 minus 1 equal to 28. N plus c2 equal to 28. That is n plus 2 means n plus 2 into n plus 1 by 2 equal to 28. So n plus 2 into n plus 1 equal to how much here? 56. By the trial and error, n equal to 6 substitute here. 8 into 7 equal to 56. Verify n equal to how much here? 6. So n equal to 6. So what we have found out here? The sum of the quotients of all the terms. The sum of the quotients of all the terms means put x equal 1 in the given expansion. That is 1 minus 2 plus 4 whole power how much here? 6. That equal to 4. It is how much? 2 plus 1. 3 power 6. 3 power 6 is 3 square 9. 81. 81 9. 729. So third option. Sixth one. If some three consecutive in the binomial expansion, of x plus 1 whole power n, x plus 1 whole power n in powers of x, are in the ratio 2:15:70. 2:15:70. Then the average of these three quotients is first one. So quotients we have found out here. But already we discussed two formulas. NCR minus 1 by NCR equal to right down here. That is n by r by n minus r plus 1. And NCR by NCR plus 1 equal to r plus 1 by n minus r. Right. Here consecutive terms is 3 consecutive terms given. So what I am taking there 1 plus x whole power n tr is to tr plus 1 is to tr plus 2 equal to I am taking 3 terms 2:15:70. Yeah, tr plus 1 by this 2 I am taking a ratio by tr equal to how much here? Yeah, or tr by tr plus 1. So tr by your wish 1 by 2 also. TR by TR plus 1 equal how much here? 2 by 15. TR is what here? NCR minus 1 by NCR equal to 2 by 15. NCR minus 1 by NCR is how much here? R by N minus R plus 1 equal to 2 by 15. Cross multiplication 15 into R, 15R equal to 2N minus 2R plus 2. So that is, so how much here? 17R equal to 2N plus 2. So this is the first equation. Next, T2 by T3 we take here. TR plus 1 by TR plus 2 equal to 15 by 70. 5 3 is 14, 3 by 14. So this is NCR by NCR plus 1 equal to 3 by 14. NCR by NCR plus 1 is R plus 1 by N minus R equal to 3 by 14. Cross multiplication 14R plus 14 equal to 3N minus 3R. R get this side. So it is also 17R equal to 3N minus 14. Suppose this is 2. So from 1 and 2, equating RHS here. So what is equating 2N plus 2? It is how much here? 3N minus 14. Then N equal to how much here? 16. N equal to 16. So what we have to find out here? 3 consecutive terms of x plus 1 power 6. So of these coefficients is average coefficients. So average coefficients is what here? N is what here? C. N equal to in 1 plus x over power 16. So for TR is this coefficient is 16C1. TR plus 1 coefficient is 16C2 and 16C3 divided by 3. 16C1 is 16. 16C2 is 16 into 15 by 2. And 16C3 is 16 into 15 into 14 by 6. So 2 7 ja and 2 7 ja, 2 3 ja, 3 5 ja, 15 and 2 8s. So that equal to 16 plus 8 into 15, 120. Next 35 into 16, 35 16, 48 56. So 560. So add these three terms here. 560, 120, 16, 6, 9, 696. So it is how much here? 696. Six 9 by 3 is there, na? 696 by 3, 232. Seventh one. If the coefficients of x square and x cube are both 0, in the expansion of the expansion of the expression of the expression 1 plus ax plus bx square, 1 plus ax plus bx square into 1 minus 3x whole power 15, 1 minus 3x whole power 15 in powers of x, in powers of x, then the ordered pair, A comma B is A comma B is equal to first option minus 54 315 comma second one 28 comma 315 and third one minus 21 comma 714 fourth one 28 comma 816. So what we are trying, if the coefficients of x square and x cube are both in the zero in this expression, expansion of the expression. So first write down here 1 plus ax plus bx square into 1 minus dx whole power 15. So first write down here 1 plus x plus bx square. This expansion write down here NC naught. So 1 minus x power whole power in expansion like this. That is c naught minus c1x plus c2x square so on like this right here. That is 1 minus 15 c1 into 3x plus 15 c2 into 3x square minus 15 c3 into 3x power 4 3x cube plus so on. So that equal to 1 plus ax plus bx square. So 1 minus it is how much here? 1 minus 15, 45x. 15 C2, 15 into 14, 14, 7, 7 into 15, 105. 105 into 9, 105 into 9, 945. 945 x square minus 15 C3. Yeah. 1 minus 3x whole power 15. So here 1 minus 3x whole power 15. Right. So here 15 C3, 15 into or 15 C3 right on. Minus 15 C3 into 3 cube into x cube. Remaining up to x square x cube also. So first coefficient of x square. It is how much here? 0. Coefficient of x square means 1 with here x cube coefficient right on here. X square coefficient right on here. It is how much here? 15 C2 into 3 that is 945. So it is 945. Next 945. Next what here? 1 by the ax. In this one x square. Coefficient of x square minus 45a. Minus 45a. Next bx square into 1 plus b. It is how much here? 0. So it is the first equation. Now coefficient of x cube equal to 0. Coefficient of x means here x cube. X cube term is what here? Minus 15c3 into 3 cube. Next ax into x square here plus 945a. 945a. Next bx square into 45 minus 45b. Minus 45b equal to, it is the second equation. Now solving these two equations, then you will get a, so what is the common in this one? In this one 40 15 c3. 15 c3 is 15 into 14 into 13 by 6. So 2 7 ja 2 3 ja 3 5 ja. So it is how much here? 35 into 13. 39 6 45. So 455. 455 into 27 into 27. 455 into 27 right now, minus into 3 cube. Okay na? So plus 945a minus 45b. 45 common. 945 by 45. 945 by 45. So 45 how many times here? 45 2 ja 1 ja 21. Okay na? So it is 45 by minus 455. So 45 minus 455 into 27 into 3 cube 27 by 45. How many times cancel? 3 9 ja 10 ja. Next 3 9 ja 3 5 ja 5 9 ja 5 1 ja. So 91 81 minus 91 into 81 81 divided by 45. So 945 is how much here it is? 945 is divided by it is how much here? So it is 945 a 945 a is 21. 21 a minus b equal to 0. Now solving 192. Solving 192. What will be cancelled? B will cancel. So 945 minus 91 into 81. 945 minus 91 into 81. Next A terms you see here. A terms. Minus 45 plus 21. Minus 45 plus 21 is minus 24 A. Minus 24 A equal to 0. So simplify, you will get here options here. It is 28 comma 315. So 28 comma 315. B 315. 28 comma 315. Second option. Next. What will get the equations here? D 21a minus 24a, simplify, minus 24a plus 672 equal to 0 will come here. Then a equal to 28 and b equal to 30. 315. Once we check it here, solve it. A equal to 28, b equal to 315. Next. The greatest integer less than or equal to root 3 plus 2 whole power 5 is dash. First option 721 and second one 722, 723 and fourth one 724. Here before formula note na, here x plus y whole power 5, x minus y whole power 5 equal to 2 into 5c naught into x power 5, 5c1 into 5c2, 5c2 into x cube y square. Next plus 5c4 into x into y cube, y power 4, x into, that is x into y square, 5c4 y power 4, 5c4 x y power 4. Right. Here 2 plus root 3 2 plus root 3 whole power 5 plus 2 minus root 3 whole power 5. Here we know that root 3 lies between how much here? 2 and 1. 2 and 1. Minus is there, na? Both sides subtract with minus 1. That is minus 2 less than minus root 3 less than minus 1. So adding with 2 both sides. That is 0 less than 2 minus root 3 less than. So you say this is f. 0 less than f less than 1. Similarly, you will get here 0 less than f less than 1. So f plus f is how much here? 1. So here this is equal to, we can write here 2 into 5c naught x is 2 power 5, 5c2 2 cube, y square is root 3 whole square is 3, 5c4 x is what is 2 into y power 4 root 3 power 4 is 3 square. So that equal to 2 into 2 power 5 is 32, 5c2 is 10 into 8 80, 5c4 5, 5 to the 10, 10 into 9 90. So is how much here? So it is 2 into 32 90 170 32 2 202 है ना 2 into 2 power 5 32 2 cube 8 24 yeah 5 c is 10 na 10 into 8 80 8 into 240 this is how much is 240 6 32 240 and 90 so 9 9 to the 18 18 by 90 so it is 2 13 it is 562 2 into 562 2 into 562 once you check it here so that is 90 240 32 90 240 32 90 240 32 it is 32 na 2 13 16 2 to the 16 3 this how much once is here 240 90 30 122 362 362 362 into 2 4 724 724 but what is here this equal to I plus f plus f so here f plus f is it is an integer na it is 1 so subtract with 1 here so it is how much here 723 will come here 723 third option here f plus f lies between 1 plus f plus f is equal to how much here 1 or subtract with 1 723 next one ninth one the sixth term in the expansion sixth term in the expansion of 3 minus under root 17 by 4 plus 0 whole power 10 is first positive rational number second one negative rational number third one positive rational number fourth one negative irrational number here general term write down here tr plus 1 is what here ncr x power n minus r into y power r here t6 equal to t5 plus 1 that is 10c5 into x is what here 3 power 10 minus 5 it is 5 here y power minus root 17 by 4 plus 3 root 2 whole power it is how much here r it is 5 okay na so that is negative power 5 r number is minus 10c5 into 3 cube for 5 so it is what here 17 by 4 plus 3 root 2 it is what here irrational is there na it is an irrational into any integer it is irrational only so that is how much here negative irrational is how much here negative irrational which is the option here fourth option Here, if the 17th and 18th, 17th and 18th terms in the expansion, of 2 plus a whole power 50, 2 plus a whole power 50 are equal, then the coefficient of x power 35 in the expansion of a plus x whole power minus 2, a plus x whole power minus 2 is first one minus 35, second one 35, and third one 36, fourth one minus 36. Right. 17th and 18th terms are equal. 17th means T17 equal to T18 given. That is T16 plus 1 equal to T17 plus 1. So in this expansion, 50C16, here 2 power n minus r, 50 minus 16 into a power 16. Here 50C 17, 2 power 50 minus 17 into a power 17. Okay, here 50C16, 2 power 50 minus 16 is 2 power 34 into a power 16. 50C17 into 2 power 50 minus 17 is 33, a power 17. So here a power 6, 1 a is there. Here 50C16 by 50C17 into what is the remaining here? Into 2 equal to how much in here? You know that NCR by NCR plus 1. I want to discuss now. Equal to R plus 1 by, what is here? NCR by, what is the formula? NCR plus 1 is R plus 1 by N minus R. This formula here. R plus 1, 16 plus 1 by 15 minus R into 2 equal to A. So 2 into 17 by 34 equal to 72 and 2 to R cancel. A equal how much here? 1. A equal 1 is substitute here. That is 1 plus x whole power minus 2 expansion. Now we discuss na. Minus will come here. 1 minus 2x plus 3x square minus 4x cube. So on like this will come here. What we will find out here? Coefficient of x power 35. Here coefficient of it is r na 35. X cube coefficient is what here? 4. Okay na? X cube is 4. X power, what is the x power 35 means? Add with 1, that is 36 minus 36. So which option here? Fourth option.